Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I'm in my little greenhouse structure and I wanted to show you something. I know this looks kind of pitiful, but it is actually really exciting to me. I grew 3 corn plants in this tiny little area, and I knew that there were some ears on the plants. Each plant has got 1 ear. This is an heirloom variety of corn. So I thought it might look like this because I had peeled back the top just a little bit and I could tell that there were areas that had no kernels. I wanted to share something that I remember my grandpa talking about when I was little, and it's about vegetables getting pollinated, but I didn't really remember it until this. And one of the things about corn, the tassel that's at the very top of the plant drops pollen onto the silks that are on the corn stalk. So, you know, those silks hang out and they start out this pretty sort of golden, silky color, silky look, I should say, a golden color. And then over time they become really shriveled up and brown. And that's kind of when you know you can harvest the corn. Each one of those silks goes to a kernel. So when you peel back the husk and see the ear of corn, if everything is not developed, it means there wasn't enough pollination. And you really need multiple plants to have enough pollen dropping from those tassels onto the silks. So this looks, like I said, it looks kind of pitiful, but I'm really excited about this because it means that I have knowledge for next year to grow more plants and to make sure there's more pollination going on. I want to plant more pollinator plants and have more bees and butterflies out here. And next year, I'm hoping to have some really good corn. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.